kind of bird?
Not crazy.
What are these birds? I mean,
And they just, I don't know.
what kind of bird? They don't look like a duck. They don't look
They
like.
are a duck. They're
Oh.
definitely a duck. I don't know the type.
They're beautiful. One
There's
big
a
family.
lady around here with a big camera. Ask her.
Oh.
My neighbour, she knows all about them. Okay, photograph them. Tell her Jennifer.
Having a walk in the South Perth foreshore, my favorite spot, and you found this a family of some sort of a duck. They look like a duck. Excuse me. They're beautiful. Look. See? It's nice to have fresh air here in the foreshore. Fresh air in the morning. Look at that. They're eating the grass. And another of those species in the foreshore. So many of them early in the morning. It's nice if you do your early morning walk here on the foreshore. Not only with the fresh air, but the beautiful surroundings and different bird species. We have the black swan, we have the pelicans, I think those are pelicans. And I don't know, this bird with the yellow beak. And a while ago we had the black swan over there. Finished cleaning herself now, and now she's swimming and diving. Look at that, trying to get some food. It's wonderful to walk here in the foreshore. Fresh air, beautiful surroundings, and clean environment. Species you can find, so many birds here. Beautiful, very beautiful. And that island over there is the bird sanctuary. So different birds go in that small island that the community created for them. So you can see all the birds there. That's one good sight here in the foreshore. It's nice to do your morning walk here, or morning jog, or exercise. So these are the birds. That's the sanctuary they created. And then these are some of the birds you can find here in the foreshore. We have the silver gull, Australasian parker, It's beautiful. The sun is up and the weather is nice. So we'll do a walk here. And here's the jetty. You can see all the birds. The black swans, the what do you call this? The number? Seagulls. The black swan, the red pig. Very common swans here in Australia. I haven't seen a white swan yet, but mostly black swan. They're pretty. And those are other birds over there having their morning bath and fishing. Okay, so this is the clothes. Some people are fishing as well. So this is what the foreshore looks like early in the morning. People are walking, exercising, bicycling, jogging, sitting, walking. I'm doing my walk, early morning walk. So nice in here, fresh air, beautiful. Yep. Some more birds. And the weather is so beautiful. The sun is up, unlike a few days ago when it keeps raining every now and then. Beautiful. And the main city across the river. Wow, I love this place very much. So I stopped by this restaurant, Boatshed restaurant, for brekkie because I need to get my morning breakfast. So before I continue with my walking, I just come here. Oh, I can sit down over there. Probably I'll go on that right window, and I need to have some eggs. I love eggs for breakfast. So this is a very nice restaurant here. They call it the Boatshed restaurant. Yeah, it's beautiful, and you can see the river foreshore. And this is the restaurant. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna wait for my food here while looking at the beautiful view by the river. And then after I eat, I'll continue with my walk. Okay, just a stop over to have breakfast. Let's eat breakfast. So this is my eggs on toast for breakfast today. Just a stop over for breakfast, and then I continue my walking. So this is the toast. Sugar brown or the eggs Benedict, which is my favorite. Okay, let's eat.